praise your name in all the earth. You have exalted your majesty above the heavens. Out of the mouths of newborn babes and infants, you have brought forth praise as a bulwark against your foes, to silence the enemy and the avenger. When I look up at your heavens that have been formed by your fingers, the moon and the stars that you set in place. What is man that you are mindful of him, the Son of Man that you care for him? You have made him a little less than the angels, and crowned him with glory and honor. You have given him dominion over the works of your hands, and placed everything under his feet, all sheep and oxen, as well as the beasts of the field, the birds of the air, the fish of the sea, and whatever swims in the paths of the sea.